Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to build your own skateboard. First off, you're going to need a deck, which you then need to put grip tape on, but I'm not going to get into that for time purposes. Skate tool, which you could also substitute for a wrench. You're also going to need trucks, wheels, bearings, and skate hardware. First step is you're going to take your bearings, make sure that the red rubber part is facing out. This makes sure that no dirt gets into your bearings, and you're going to press one in on each side of the wheel. Bearings aren't going to be all the way flush in the wheel yet, so what I like to do is take the wheel, put it on your truck, and press down with your weight. Now you could see the bearing is flush to the wheel. Now we're going to put our wheels on our truck. If you have a washer, you could put that on now, but it's not necessary. Then we're going to put the nut on hand tight and make sure that we don't mess up the threads. And then you're going to use one end of your skate tool and tighten the wheel onto the truck. You could use a wrench for this if you don't have one. When you tighten your wheels to your trucks, you want to get the right tightness. You want to make sure that the wheel is spinning on the bearings, but you also don't want it too loose. What I'll do is I'll grab the wheel and wiggle it side to side till there's barely any movement, but just a little bit. Next step is putting the trucks on your deck. You want to make sure they're facing the right way with both kingpins facing inwards. And if you buy new trucks, there are front and backs, but that doesn't matter too much. Next, you're going to put your screws in the holes that are already on the deck and screw your nuts on the back side. Then you're going to hold one side with the screw and attach your skate tool on the other side and turn it till the screws are countersunk. Next is adjusting your trucks. The tighter they are, the more stable but less carvy the board is going to be. The looser, the more carvy but less stable the board is going to be. That's it, your board is complete.